What is up? It is 4th of July. Oh, there comes Max. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to put some fireworks onto our RC car. Didn't remember it from last video, but we're gonna try to put it on and see if it'll ride.
Yeah, the one with the chicken.
You got the case? Alright. Alright, so we're gonna use duct tape.
Yep.
Can't think of anything else.
I mean glue, but no. It'd probably get burned up anyways, huh?
Probably everything's gonna burn.
Burn up.
Go ask Grandma for more duct tape. Or see if you can find some.
Are you he's not talking about the length, Max. The height of the grass.
Yes.
You sure? Because it looks cut to me from here.
No, it's big. It's like about.
So, I guess this will work. See how this turns out.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna work?
Yes, sir.
Damn, alright, we'll see. Alright, let's try it. I'm gonna go over here. We got the new grass. Chicken's over there. I don't know how long this. It's probably gonna be like 5 seconds, huh? We better drive it quick.
Oh, I almost slipped.
So we got this big strip. So we'll put it here.
No. Stop.
Oh. It's shorter than ours.
Before you see what happened, say I was recording, or I was driving with one hand and recording with the other. So I was going forward and then I was turning with my thumb. So you'll see right now why or what happened. Okay, let's see. You want to do it? Third one? Hold on.
Because I could just get one and then I'll do the other one.
Okay, you do it on time. You gotta do it together. You ready?
And then I'll record.
Turn them on? I got it.
Ready to go?
Tell me.
Okay, where you at?
Move, Max.
Max, get out of the way.
Go!
Whoa, look at that!
Go!
Looks like something's going up.
No! Did it survive? It did, it's perfect.
That's 20 seconds, Daddy.
Cool. Let's go get some more.
Yeah.
Alright, that was the little thing that I wanted to record.
Yeah.
Happy 4th of July. I gotta pick up the trash now.
Yeah,
Oh shit, it's still hot.
15 minutes.
But, oh man. Now Max is gonna go watch the fireworks with Grandpa.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play some video games, so. See you guys later. Hope you liked it.
Like and subscribe the video.
There you go.
And
Bye.
bye.